GCSE learning. Today we're going to learn decimal, like decimal. Our first example is 7.45. 19.07 and 289.72. What is like decimal? Like decimal is a decimal that has the same quantity of decimal numbers at the end. So, in all those decimal numbers, each decimal has 2 decimal numbers. See? Okay. Our next example is 9.753, 8.423, 174.927. Again, in those decimal numbers, there are 3 decimal numbers at the end. See? Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.